is Datadog agent permission. I have to restart this Datadog and fine. Okay, no problem. So I wanted to show you the logs actually. Okay, I'll share you this link also. You can also try from your end. Okay. This one. But I don't have permission to restart. So while installing itself, I did not give admin access to my ID. That is about, again, I have to reinstall this. But no problem. You can try this logging as per the documentation that is given here. So what we have seen custom metrics, right? Ingesting custom metrics to Datadog and then this logs also you can try this. Any doubts, questions till now? Any questions, doubts till now? Okay. Understood the concept of Datadog, everyone? How we are sending the custom metrics? How we are sending the custom metrics? Everyone understood? So Datadog fundamentals. Everyone understood Datadog fundamentals? Clear or not? Okay. Okay. So with this, so 13 are completed. What is the next one? AWS CloudWatch. And this is a AWS part actually. AWS CloudWatch. It is a part of AWS. And how many of you know this AWS CloudWatch? I heard about CloudWatch. How many of you know AWS CloudWatch? Okay. Let us go to AWS CloudWatch, the next tool. Yeah, after completing this AWS CloudWatch, I'll give break. Okay. So let us complete this AWS CloudWatch. So actually, CloudWatch, AWS CloudWatch is AWS native service or AWS service that is used to monitor AWS resources. Okay. Resources and applications that run in AWS Cloud. I don't know why CloudWatch itself is separately put in your NASCOM batch tools. This is only for AWS only. Okay, but anyhow, since it is listed in this tools, I'll explain this. So basically, so we can using CloudWatch. We can monitor the CPU usage, the memory usage. Okay. Okay, disk read and writes of EC2 instance. Okay. What is the memory usage or CPU usage? We can do that. Not only EC2 instance, and other various services and other various services like Lambda, EKS. Okay. ECS. These are all the cloud services. So basically, CloudWatch, what we can do in CloudWatch, we can create dashboards. CloudWatch is used to create, or we can create dashboards in CloudWatch to monitor the resources. Okay. Next, we can create alarms. Alarms. So whenever a particular threshold is hit, whenever a particular threshold is hit, we can set notifications. Like, for example, like the CPU exceeds 60% of usage, or number of HTTP errors exceeding 100 for 1 hour, for last 1 hour. These are all the notifications. These are all the, based on these alerts, user or developer will take an action. Okay, if CPU or memory exceeds 60%, okay, that means my load is getting. So these alerts are notifications. What they will do is, so these alerts are notifications. So these alerts are notifications will make the developer alert about the incident. Okay, suppose if he's getting HTTP errors exceeding 100 for last 1 hour, so he'll get notified. Okay, yes, I have to be alert. And based on that, he can take some action. He can see what is the issue. Based on that, he can take some action. Okay. Similarly, logs also. So in CloudWatch, there are logs also. So all the tracking or monitoring in CloudWatch can be logged. Similarly, events. So what happens is, for example, whenever CPU memory or memory exceeds, say, 60% or 70% based on your threshold value. So this is called threshold value. So whenever CPU or memory exceeds 60% or 70% threshold value, then auto scaling can be triggered. These are called events actually. You know what is auto scaling? Auto scaling is increasing the number of increasing or decreasing. Or decreasing the resources based on the load. For example, if you take EC2 instance, currently now with 2 instances, the CPU or memory usage is 60% or 70%. Auto scaling will add one more instance to distribute the load actually. So these are all called events actually. So CloudWatch will trigger those events based on that. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll now take one practical example. So we'll take one practical example of CloudWatch with an EC2 instance. Okay. We'll take one practical example of CloudWatch with an EC2 instance. Okay. First, for that, we should have AWS account, right? We should have AWS account to log in and use this CloudWatch. Okay, because CloudWatch is part of AWS. So already I have AWS account. Let me log in now. Because the Docker and I showed you from the AWS account, right? So I'll use the same one. Let me go to EC2 instance. Currently, there is no EC2 instance running. Okay. I'll just start this instance. So you have to go to EC2 instance and then you can start this. Okay. Then I can go to CloudWatch service. So in that you search for CloudWatch. So this is my CloudWatch. Okay. Here you can click on. So this is your get started with CloudWatch. Set alarms or metrics to receive notification. Create and name any new CloudWatch dashboard. View logs like this. Okay. You can click on dashboards here. You can click on create dashboard. I can give like web server. Dashboard name is web server monitoring. Click on create dashboard. Okay. Select the widget type. I can add some line widget or something. I can add line widget. You can add anything. Explorer. These are all the graphs. How it will show the graphs metrics. So create line widget. I'm creating line widget. And From which data source you like to create widget based on the metrics. Okay, by metrics. And then I'll select EC2 instance. Okay, I'll select EC2 instance. Next, click per instance metrics. So I'll have these are the instances. Say CPU credit balance, CPU surplus balance, CPU utilization. If I open this, I can add to graph. Choose even click on the create widget button. I'll just put here, click on create widget. So CPU utilization is showing as 0.5. Similarly, click on add widget, again line, metrics. I can say EC2 instance again, for instance metrics. I'll give memory also. Memory, 1 minute. I can see network actually, network in network discounts. So I'll give network in, I'll give create widget. So this is your CPU utilization. This is, so what I'll do is I'll run the application here so that you'll get some CPU. So let me now start. Okay. So let me now see EC2 instance. Save dashboard. Just I'm click saving the dashboard. Now go to your EC2 instance. Let me start the server. I mean Java application. So I'll log into this one. I have to know, sorry. I have to add the key, right? Java-jar. Okay, my application started. I can run this actually. I can monitor these. If I invoke this data one thing, localhost 8085, localhost 8085 / data. Why? So not local. Sorry. I have to give that IP address. See, data one, data two. Just invoke this. I can see that some CPU usage will be there. Just refresh, keep on refreshing. Now I can see some CPU usage here. Let me go to CloudWatch. So dashboards. See, now I can see CPU utilization has reached 48. See, network out also see some. See, you can see the dot here. You see, 48 it has reached. You can see the CPU is reached 48. Okay. Now even I can add alarm also. So what is alarm I can add is, let me add an alarm. Suppose if CPU utilization reaches more than 30%, I'll reach an alarm. So I'll send an email, I'll trigger an email notification. So what I'll do is, I'll click on the create alarm. Alarm. Create alarm. Select metric. Okay. So then select a metric to alarm on. So select an EC2 instance. Select an EC2 instance. Next, per instance metrics. Again, I'll go for CPU utilization. Select a metric. Okay. And then what I'll do is, enter the alarm details. Now I have to add the alarm details. So statistics average period. Okay, then if CPU utilization is greater than, the threshold value. Okay. CPU should be greater than, define the threshold value 30. Must be a number. I can give like this, right? CPU utilization greater than 30%. Next, I'll select an email. I can create some email here, like send an email to this mail. I'll create it. So this will internally use SNS, Amazon SNS topic, and send an email. Okay. Then add notification. That's all. So I think this I'll remove. So just add this and click on next. Alarm, like my alarm. That's all. Create alarm. Now I keep on refreshing now this page. CPU as usage should exceed 30%. So I'll get an email actually once it reaches 30%. Okay. Let me open email. I think I should get an email. Let me open the CPU usage. I think it is not. CPU is 48%. I have to get an email actually. See, CPU has reached 48%. You see, but I have to get an alarm where my alarm is open. Still it is 25.1%. So you would greater than for one data point within 5 minutes. Let me open that email. No. Let me refresh this. Let me open this. Still it is in the threshold bar. So let me edit actually. Let me say an email has been sent. Okay. I did not get any email. Oh, okay. This is, I did not type correctly Gmail. Okay, sorry. L is not actually added actually. Let me remove this again. I will again update alarm. I'll add this. GL I did not add it properly. Add notification. Select an existing topic. Now I'll create a new topic. Okay, some my topic. I did not add it properly. Gmail.com. I'll click on next. Update alarm. See, I should get an email here. So I got a notification. Let me confirm subscription. Okay, now I got correctly. Now what I'll do is I will just refresh this. I keep on adding. So once I get 30% CPU usage, I'll get an email. See, I got an email subscription. So let me know. Dashboards, web server monitoring, 48% I got. Alarms, in alarm. All alarms I'll go. My alarm. Within 5 minutes I got. My topic. So an email will come. CPU exceeds 30%. Okay. I think still 30% did not got exceeded. So that's why still email did not send. Okay. Let me do for let me give 10. Instead of 30 usage, I'll give 10. I think see it got exceeded. If you see greater than for one data point within 5 minutes, but it should send the alarm actually. It should send an email actually. I think might be the CPU percentage still did not exceeded 1%. I mean 10%, I think. Alarm details. Yeah, status is no, okay, not exceeded. Let me put lower than that. That is let me put lower. I think it should come. I think let us see that. So you can see in the graph, but I don't know, somehow mail is not coming actually. Alarm mail is not coming. I don't know. I don't know why mail is not coming. Correct name I have given, right? in alarm. I'll put for OK. Let me put like this. If I put for OK, I'll just send this. Okay, let me do like this. I'll put for OK. See, now I got alarm. So now I got if I put for OK. Okay, because still it hasn't reached in alarm. So that's why the mail is not coming. After I change it to OK, now I got the alarm. See. So that is what. So what we did in CloudWatch, we selected an EC2 instance. We selected the CPU utilization metric and added a line graph and added an alarm. So that's what we did in CloudWatch. So practicals, what we have done. Created CloudWatch service. Added metric for CPU utilization. Right? Added metric for CPU utilization. And then added line graph. Added alarm like email notification for threshold value reaching the limit. So this is what we have done in practicals. Okay. CPU utilization for EC2 instance. Any doubts in the CloudWatch? CloudWatch. Yeah. Any doubts in the CloudWatch? So till now we completed 14 tools. 14 tools we completed. What are next? Two tools are left. Heroku and Chef. So shall we take 5 minutes break? Shall we take 5 minutes break? Okay then. So let us take, now it is 11:23, we'll meet at 11:30. So the next class is at 11:30. 11:30 a.m. So we'll start on Heroku. Okay then. Okay, 11:30. Okay then.